The Legend of Emerald Lake. In the small town of Greenwood, nestled in the heart of the Appalachian Mountains, there was a place shrouded in mystery and wonder: Emerald Lake. The lake, surrounded by dense forests and rolling hills, was the subject of many local legends, each more fantastical than the last. The most enduring tale was that of a hidden treasure, said to be guarded by the spirit of an old prospector named Jedediah Jones. Jedediah Jones had come to Greenwood during the gold rush of the mid-1800s, lured by dreams of striking it rich. He spent years prospecting in the mountains, and as the story went, he finally found a fortune in gold near Emerald Lake. However, before he could share his discovery, Jedediah mysteriously disappeared, and his treasure was never found. Locals believed that Jedediah's spirit still watched over his hidden gold, waiting for the right person to find it. In present-day Greenwood, a young boy named Jake Harris was captivated by the legend of Jedediah Jones. Jake, with his unruly brown hair and an insatiable curiosity, spent countless hours exploring the forests and hills around Emerald Lake. His grandfather, a retired park ranger, often regaled him with tales of Jedediah's adventures, fueling Jake's imagination and determination to find the lost treasure. One summer morning, as the sun cast a golden glow over the lake, Jake stumbled upon an old leather-bound journal in his grandfather's attic. The journal, weathered and fragile, bore the initials JJJ on its cover. Jake's heart raced with excitement as he carefully opened it, revealing pages filled with handwritten notes and sketches. It was Jedediah Jones's journal, detailing his prospecting efforts and clues to the location of his hidden gold. Jake spent the next few days poring over the journal, deciphering Jedediah's cryptic clues. The entries spoke of landmarks around the lake, including a towering pine tree known as Sentinel and a peculiar rock formation called the Bear's Paw. Armed with the journal and his trusty dog, Scout, Jake set out on an adventure to uncover the treasure. Following the clues, Jake and Scout trekked through the dense forest, crossing bubbling streams and navigating rocky trails. They reached Sentinel, a massive pine tree that stood tall and proud, its branches stretching towards the sky. From there, they headed west, as the journal instructed, towards the Bear's Paw. As they approached the rock formation, Jake noticed something he hadn't seen before: a narrow cave entrance partially hidden by overgrown bushes. His excitement growing, he squeezed through the entrance, Scout close behind. Inside the cave, the air was cool and damp, and the faint sound of dripping water echoed off the walls. Jake followed the twists and turns of the cave, guided by the dim light of his flashlight. Deep within, he found a small hidden chamber. In the center of the chamber was a rusted metal box, its lid adorned with the same JJ initials. Jake's hands trembled as he opened the box, revealing a cache of gold nuggets, coins, and a few precious gemstones. The legend was true. He had found Jedediah Jones's treasure. Overwhelmed with joy, Jake carefully gathered the treasure and made his way back to the surface. News of his discovery spread quickly through Greenwood, and the townspeople celebrated his incredible find. The treasure was donated to a local museum, where it became a symbol of the town's rich history and the adventurous spirit of its people. Jake's discovery brought newfound attention to Emerald Lake and its surrounding areas, attracting tourists and adventurers eager to explore the beautiful landscape and learn about its legends. The town of Greenwood thrived, and Jake, hailed as a local hero, continued to explore the mountains, always searching for the next great adventure. Years later, as he stood on the shores of Emerald Lake, now a respected park ranger like his grandfather, Jake often thought about the day he found Jedediah's treasure. It wasn't just the gold that had changed his life, but the journey itself, the thrill of discovery, the bond with his loyal dog Scout, and the connection to the rich tapestry of history that defined his hometown. And so, the legend of Emerald Lake lived on, inspiring future generations to seek out their own adventures and uncover the hidden treasures of their hearts.